Hello my lovely sweet Josephips! Welcome back to my channel! I'm heading now to Ayala Triangle Gardens where Bang Pineda held his fashion show. And today is the first day of BYS Fashion Week and I'm with my guard Cece, Dr. Eunice!
Hello! Yeah. Excited for tonight show.
Diba? Look the outfit, oh! Yeah. Siyempre, pag fashion show, pag fashion week, para tayo nasa New York, Milan, Paris. So, talagang outfitan yan. So, later we will show you our outfits. And today, we will attend the Patty Ang fashion show.
Yes, and it's one of the biggest fashion weeks here in the Philippines.
Yes! Okay, so see you later! Are you ready? Ready? Yan na, aga namin, no? Sana registration. Hello! Ayan na si ano, Eureka ba yan? Si Eureka, oh?
Where?
Ayan ba? Si Eureka yun?
Ay, sige.
Papaulit na. Para ka. With the fashion squad.
Miss Japan.
Yeah, welcome back. Yes, welcome back. Okay, let's have ano na. Anong meron? Ah, ito pa.
Ayan.
Coming pa rin. Ay, may wala
I don't know. Ayan, nasa YouTube ka na.
The other one.
So, ito lahat kay Papi Ang. Tama? Para ba pwede dagdagan ng ice? So, I met a new friend. Very pretty. She's a model. Follow her. Oh my God.
Guys, Angela. I'm here at the BYS Fashion Show. It's the first day with Patty Ang. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Hello,
John. Thank you.
Birthday boy!
Yes, the birthday boy. Here.
Hello again, my dear.
Try lang siya.
Like the outfit. Love it.
Nasabi siya.
Twinning kayo? Kami twinning. Harap. Yeah.
Apologize.
tayo.
Go.
Opo.
John Wilson.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to say welcome to another season of BYS Fashion Week. We're all very excited to have everybody here. But before we start the shows, I would like to thank a few of our partners who made this whole 4-day endeavor possible. Yeah, I'm going to read it so I don't forget. Okay, first of all, we'd like to thank Sula Spirits, the drinks that we had for the show, and the drinks that we're going to have all throughout the 4 days from Sula Spirits. We'd also like to thank Pacific Synergy for the vitamin C and Sid Purified Water. We'd like to thank Mod Concepts and Rentals for the seats, Maya Creatives for chapters, the Purple Walk team for catering, One Ayala for allowing us to use the space at One Ayala Halls for the other shows, Ayala Land, of course, for hosting one of our shows here at the Ayala Triangle Canopy, Umanoto Manila for hosting our after party, and Jeff Aldea for creating the special statues that our VVIPs receive. I would also want to thank these three people because they made the impossible possible, and that's Direct Robbie Carmona, Direct Almerla Pena, and Direct Yancy Trinidad. They put up with my crazy in the past 6 months that we've been preparing for BYS Fashion Week, so I want to thank them. Direct Almer's here, the other two are basically their shows. I'd like to also thank the photographers and videographers and Lipo Man, Ryan Mamawan, and Geo Snapshots for documenting this whole event. And we'd like to give a special thank you to our esteemed First Lady, Her Excellency Mrs. Liza Araneta Marcos, for her unwavering support of our platform in celebrating Filipino fashion and demonstrating her hashtag love for our country in such a meaningful way. Tirelessly to make these 4 shows happen. And of course, Saka Events, our events partner for BYS Fashion Week. Of course, I wouldn't let this opportunity pass without thanking the designers this year. Rahul Laurel, Martin Bautista, Jazz Cerezo, Russell Villaferde, Crowd Grace, Inigo Villegas, Mikhail Trinidad, Christine Ordinario, and Jancy Benson of Charlotte Pope, and of course, our opening show, Tanya. I want to thank Sir William Na, Sir Tony Chua, and of course Miss Angie Diana. These three, despite the shortcomings, despite sometimes the failures and the not so perfect moments, they never left my side and always believed in me. Sometimes it's so fault, but I guess that's their way of bringing out the best people. Proud. And that's the least I could do to give back everything they have given me. So once again, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you guys. This artist, you should all be proud. Welcome to BYS Fashion Week 2024.
This is BYS Fashion Week, featuring Patty Allen. Made by iconic designers, contributing to fashion design.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm with the gorgeous Yuki.
Hi.
So Yuki is a fashion stylist of SSI. So what can you say about the collection of Patty
The
tonight?
collection was divine. I really love the drapings, the feathers, the silhouettes. It was so chic. It was unbelievable. I love it, and I would wear every piece in the collection.
Yeah, me too.
Right?
That's why it's our aesthetic, my dear.
Yes,
That's
very
why I really
chic.
force you to come with me.
Very elegant. It's very us.
Yes.
Basically. Yeah.
Okay. So, thank you, dear.
Thank you so much.
And then the fish bowl. So, after the show, dinner.
Wala yung iba.
Wala yung iba kasi nandun sila kay Raho.
Nag-office. Ay, si Yurika meron pala.
Ayan. Ay, ang ganda. Parang maganda dito. Ay, sa dalawang room?
You can push it back, sir.
Camellia, push lang?
Yes, po.
Ay. Oh, very nice.
Oh, nice.
Ang ganda. Yes.
Tapos yung mga ano, no?
Uy.
Try yung mga
Yes.
for beauty regimens. Huh? For the
Very
beauty
nice.
regimen.
Pang IG natin.
Si Mariana Sobel.
O malang. Ay, mas maliit dito. Parang mas malaki dun sa kabila. O, same lang.
Malaki po sa kabila.
Social. Dalawa yung ano.
Pwede kayo mag-picture na.
Ay, picture tayo.
Ay, gusto ko yung lalagyan ng mga ganyan.
Both yung puntahan.
Ayan, picture here.
Wait lang.
Pasok pa?
Okay na po.
Ganyan.
And 50? If I mean, purchase of 50,000.
Tapos ito.
And pag mag 50,000, tatlo nito. Pwede nyo magawa.
Patingin yan.
Basta kay Suan din na kayo naman.
Oo, sa Mr.
Isa to po yung 40,000. May mirror. Lipstick po, tatlo po
Nakalagay na ano.
Na lipstick.
Oo. Natatlohan ito na lipstick siya.
Oo.
Tapos ito, this is the
tip po.
Ang ganda ng pens. Kasi may ano pa, may heart-heart pa.
na mga brush sa kanya. Ayaw ibigay sa akin.
Gusto ko nga
ganda
yun.
naman ibigay niya.
Ang cute ng pencil. 30,000, no?
Yes po.
Lang na maliit lang. Yung parang lalagyan lang ng mga makeup.
Ito, Jermaine, ito nabibili natin sa opening. Bagay ito kay Jermaine, no? Kasi powder.
Yeah, oo.
Di ba?
Hello, my love is my Joseph Peps. It's day 2 of, sorry about my voice. It's day 2 of BYS Fashion Week. And we're running late, super late. Good thing Mr. Michael here, my driver there, ng Grab, is kind enough to drop us sa CCP. Then I will just fetch Jenny King and then good luck to us. Okay, so thank you so much, Michael. Yeah, nandun na yan si Michael pero kanina itong katibyan. Okay, so we'll see you in the venue. Hopefully, makapasok kami kasi eksaktong 9 o'clock magko-close ang door. It's already 8 ano na ba? 8:29, imagine mo yan. Let's see. Okay. See you later, my love. This is Joseph Babes. I see us. Happy that you were able to come. Ay, nandito naman pala itong poging to. Uy, ang gusto ko naman to. My goodness. I love your outfit. Oh my God. Ako sa YouTube.
Okay.
Kaya wala ka. Hi! Ay, sorry. Sana mag-boros talaga ng day.
Okay.
What are you wearing? Well, I'm wearing this velvet top with feathers from Mango and my skirt, denim, and And sis, what are you wearing for tonight?
Oh, this is Golden Goose.
Golden Goose, denim, and then your shoes,
Alexander McQueen.
and then your earrings.
I forgot now. I think it's in a thrift shop somewhere. And then my friends.
Are your friends?
BT21.
All right.
This is RJ.
Yeah.
This is Hoya.
Cutie!
And some of my prizes from Time Zone.
Oh my God. Ang galing nito mag-ano eh.
I don't have Labubu. I don't have any Labubu.
At least you have those stuff from Time Zone.
So I got them.
Yes.
Video.
Congrats on your collection. I love it. International gusto, diba? Kahit late kami. Prada, Garland, Mango, Prada, Balenciaga, Rabanne. Prada, Garland, Mango, Prada, Balenciaga, Rabanne, Prada. Okay, I'm with this fashion designer Tristan. So, one word for the collection of Russell for tonight.
It's actually fantastic.
3 words? Okay.
Sexy, feisty, and wild.
Ethereal, safari, sleek, chic style on the streets. Incredible, fantastic talaga.
Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng outfit. Then after the show, Starbucks as always, and you better try these chips, especially the yellow one. Pero masarap kasi kinakain ko ito.
Parang pareho sila, Jack.
Oh, season kasi ito.
Matcha?
Hello, my lovely Spain Chelsea Pips. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry about my voice. So it's day 3 of BYS Fashion Week, and I'm running super late, super late talaga, because I attended to some urgent matters this morning. So yeah, let's see if I can still watch the show, but if not, we will just ask my fashion peeps about the collection of Charlotte Falk. Okay, so see you later. Oh my god, I'm late. Saan yung event? Saan yung event? Ayun. Nag-start na ba? Late na. Start na. Tapos na. Ay, buti na. Jack, J.A. Cute. Peñada, Kiera. I like your earrings. Parang pareho tayo.
Alright. Use your
Oh
stuff
my
to show it
God.
there for
Thank you so much. Kasi na lang pala. Hindi pa nag-start. Hello, my dear. Ay, tubig pala. Gusto ko yun. Ano meron? Buti nakaabot ako. Oh my God. I made it.
It's all about taking the stage and setting the trend here at BYS Fashion Week 2024. This splendid celebration of Filipino talents would not be possible without the support of our incredible partners: Sula, Mod Event Rentals, Piraso PH, Chapters PH, Vina PH, Beagleman, Sip Purified Water, The Purple Walk, Space at Wanayana, Jeff Albea Arts, Umanota, and Moss Studio. Flipping the script on what fashion needs today. This is BYS Fashion Week, featuring the elevated urban chic creations of Charlotte Folk.
Your attention, please. Please do not smoke in the terminal building. Smoking is not permitted in specified smoking areas. Thank you. Please wash your luggage under the stairs.
welcome to Charlotte Oaks Airport. This is the last call for passengers from Charlotte Oaks Airport Airlines Flight 1012 due to leave at 6 p.m. This
Just to
itong dalawa, si Ryla at si Dave.
Rolling.
Loves my Joseph tips, my fashion tips. Yeah. Look at the outfits.
Yes.
Day 3 na yun, right? So, see you tomorrow. Sorry.
Photo.
Hi, good afternoon, Miss Jackie. Hi, ang ganda-ganda naman. Ang paka-flawless.
Wala pa. Ikaw
Ay?
na wala maglalagay sa akin.
Wow.
So, go na tayo? Go na.
Go.
Go na. This is Zen. My SA here at Hermes Rustans. Yeah. So, she will do a makeover on me for the last day of BYS Fashion Week. Sorry for my voice. Lalaban. Ang ganda, no? Galing ni Zen. Galing ni Zen. Maganda ka. Pinuwala pa ako. Galing ni Zen. So come here kay Zen, magpa-makeover and purchase our mess.
Yes, of course. The most important to purchase.
We have to purchase. Ako kasi advance na. Purchase na.
Love it. Ganda. My God. Super ganda. Nice.
So this is the one used by Zen to me. Super nice. And this is a limited. And I love, for lipstick talaga, Hermes is my favorite. Yeah. Tapos sa blush, ito yung maganda. Sure, oo naman, sasama kita. Tapos ito yung blush. Yan, this is so nice. Soon yan. Nasa project ito. So, ito yung mga eye shadow din nilang. So, Hermes is kind of expensive, but worth it. And I love this one. I got this one. Nice yan. So next, the gorgeous Jenny King, bare skin, then, yeah. Siya, ako white, siya ang black. Kasi, ang requirement, we have to wear black or white. Unang mo din si Jim. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Tito. Thank you. So come here at Hermes Rustans and look for me Zen. Yan. O, ayan na. So we're here at One Ayala for the day 4, last day of BYS Fashion Week. So yan si Jenny wearing black And I'm wearing white. Ayan na, ang dami ng tao. And ang mga people of the world. Hello! 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 Hi! Syempre! Jenny King! Hello guys! Nice to see you! Yeah, mag-register lang. Look! And he's the designer. What's your name?
I am Nash August. I'm the designer.
Yeah, very nice.
Very Nash August.
And Arayla again. Hi! Happy Saturday. Oh, diba? Ganda! Hello! So pretty! Oh, diba? Oh. Kakaloka ko. Hello! Ako Angel. Mga kutsara. Picture na tayo! Oh, nice. Ano yan, dear? Sorry? Middle. Ay, nasa middle tayo. Ino isang po.
It's truly our pleasure to showcase BYS Fashion Week for the third time, where every piece of every collection tells a story of resilience and artistry. BYS is known to empower individuals to express their true selves. This year, that vision comes to life like never before. The bold colors, the innovative textures, and the artistic flair of the designers came alive on the runway. To our beloved Filipino designers, thank you for sharing your vision with us. You've shown us that fashion is more than just our limitless. Let's continue championing creativity, embracing diversity, and supporting one another in this journey of self-discovery. Thank you for being part of this celebration, and we hope you enjoy BYS Fashion Week. Thank you.
Yan. So I'm with the two fashion designers, Gladys Ayuste and Jules Atienza. Pero known as Tristan ba o Jules?
Jules.
Ay, Jules. So, what can you say about the collection of Martin Bautista a while ago?
Well, for Martin Bautista, it's very fluid, very flowy. I love the prints. And also, the styling is very consistent. It's simple yet elegant.
Okay, how about you, Gladys?
I'm not into talaga, ang aesthetics ko is streetwear naman, but grabe, na-amaze ako sa talaga kanila, sobrang linis. Tapos parang hindi ko, alam mo yung tinitingnan ko yung design niya, na parang hirap gawin ng gano'n na
kahit na simple lang, no? Pero mahirap kain yan.
Yung
structure yan.
Kasi, and then yung the way how he manipulated the fabric, din siya, pero ginawa niyang nag-sculpture siya dun sa fabric.
Yes.
I agree. So, ang ganda ng movement, yung flow, apaka-simple yung mga silhouette, yet very wearable and luxurious.
Very classy.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much.
Bye! Ay, gano'n.
Game. Bye. Bye. We're here at the after party of BYS. There. Okay. Wow, I love it. That's a wrap for now, my lovely May Chastepes, and hope you enjoy watching this very long vlog. So sorry, but I don't want to cut it into 2 vlogs because I really want you to experience what we've experienced this year BYS Fashion Week, and it's like talaga level up pang international na tayo. Okay, so thank you so much, my lovely May Chastepes, and hope we will get invites again for next year. Okay, so until next time, my lovely May Chastepes. Love ya.